In this video, I will show you how you can draw on photos on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Now to do that, just open the Photos app. Now from here, just select the photo on which you want to draw. Now after you select the photo, then tap on Edit. Now in the Edit section, just tap on the smiley face over here. Now after you do that, then just select Draw. Now from here, you can select the marker or the pointer with which you want to draw. And if you tap on the preferred tool one more time, you will be able to change the color of the tool. For an example, I will change the color of the pen to red. And from here, you can increase or decrease the intensity of the color. Now, as you can see, you can select the type of the pen which you prefer. You can select a fountain pen, a pointer, or a ballpoint pen. Now, as you can see, you can increase or decrease the thickness of the lines which you will draw using your pen. And after you have done that, now you're able to draw on your photo which you have selected. Just like that. And once you're done drawing on your photo, then tap on Save. Now, as you can see, this is how you can draw on your photos on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.